Eyeballs. Believe it or not, those bad boys in your head are worth a fair bit of money. But don't worry, no one's going to try and spoon them out of your skull and sell them on the black market.
Yeah.
You see, it's not the eyeballs that people want though, it's your attention, and the thing that your eyeballs are looking at. YouTube has a lot of attention, which means anyone can make money from it, not just YouTube themselves. So here's 6 ways people make money on the platform. First up, and no surprises here, adverts. YouTube is owned by Google. Using their ad platform, people can pay to put their pesky 5-second ads at the start of videos, during videos, and in search results. YouTube charges the advertiser if someone clicks their advert or watches a certain percentage of it. Some of this money then gets given to the creators whose channel it appeared on, so long as they're YouTube partners and have over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last year. So all you need is millions of views and you're rich. Rich beyond your wildest dreams, if only. On average, it is written that you can expect to earn between $300 and $2,000 from ads with 1 million views. But why is that number so different? Well, different search terms are more valuable. For example, someone who wants to advertise a Forex trading platform might have to pay $1 a view versus someone selling sandals at $0.01 a view. YouTube gives a percentage to the creator, believed to be about 60%, which sounds a bit high to me. If your niche is on trading currencies, then the ads that appear there will most likely be about that due to the targeting, and the creators will make more. If your videos are longer than 10 minutes, you can pop an advert in the middle of the video, just like TV stations do, so there's a chance you can double your money too. Heed this though, watch any video where the creators with big channels talk about their earnings, they all say the same thing: ads are not how they make big money. Number 2, affiliate links. People who work in sales often make most of their money from commission. So if Steve the car salesman sells a BMW, he'll get 1% of the final price. Affiliate links have given everyone online the chance to make money in the same way. They are unique links that you have and only you. These are then tracked, so it's obvious where the traffic has been driven from. If someone hits the link and then purchases something as a result, you will get a cut of the sale. Platforms like Amazon allow pretty much anyone to create an affiliate link to any of their products. The cool thing about Amazon is they also give you a cut of anything else they buy over the next 24 hours, which could stack up. Different items get different percentages. The highest commission you can get currently on Amazon is 12%. The key is to be honest. The link in our descriptions are all affiliate links if they go to a product. We don't put them there if we don't love the product and use it ourselves though. Only promote things you love in this way. Otherwise, it all starts to feel a bit slimy. Just like ads, this is often not what YouTubers rave about as the best form of making megabucks, but we think it's something you should get going on, no matter how small your channel, because ours is tiny and we've made a whopping $30 from it so far. Having it in place also means if you ever do get massive traction, you won't be kicking yourself when you miss out on the moolah. We're making more videos about making money as a small channel very soon, so hit subscribe, and then you too could have $30 more. How inspiring. Gotta start somewhere though. Number 3, sponsorship. Now, this can be where the money starts to get serious. If a brand discovers you, realizes a large percentage of your viewers are the right audience for them, then they could rain down with a cash explosion that will make your eyes water. Think of it like this. Brands pay crazy money to feature in the ads for X Factor or America's Got Talent, yet not everyone watching will be interested in their product. They could pay a fraction of the cost to sponsor a YouTuber to make one video that gets more views than one of those shows full of their target clients. They are actively searching for small creators to work with too. There's even software and agencies out there specializing in pairing brands and creators together. YouTube requires you to tell viewers that the episode is sponsored to keep things fair. So make sure you only partner with brands you resonate with or whose products you actually love, and your viewers will too. That way, it will be a beautiful partnership. Number 4, Patreon. Sometimes creators are so good, so valued, people will give them money for no other reason than to say, keep up the good work. That's the basics behind Patreon. Thank a creator because, well, you're a fan. Oh, isn't that lovely? Do you want to pay us? Patreon is so much more though. It's your exclusive members club. You can set monthly packages which give people VIP behind closed door content, connect your apps, and it allows you to communicate with your members exclusively. YouTubers like Matt Devella used it to live off well into the millions of subscribers. It's worth noting he did eventually monetize his channel to bring on a production team because he was trying to do everything himself. Check out his channel, it's outrageously good. Number 4, courses. Here lies a big chunk of the YouTuber money pie. If your content is educational, you have something you can teach, and you have a big following of people who have been watching your content for years and feel like they know and trust you, they will buy your course. Now, it needs to be good, really good, so you can keep making them, and it also needs to provide something your YouTube content doesn't. If you can do that, then happy days. Courses are big business. It's often advised charging no less than $250 for one, mainly because if it's cheap, people tend to put it to one side and not do it. Sometimes you have to be cruel to be kind, and if they do it and think, wow, what a bargain, then everyone wins. Let's say you've got 50,000 subscribers and 1% of them buys your course on release for $250. That's $125,000, probably. You can keep promoting it too. You can even pay to put it in front of only your subscribers in ads, if you like. Platforms like Thinkific make hosting, building, and promoting a course really simple. When we have a big enough following, we'll make one. So make sure you pop back in 2025 when that happens. Otherwise, see the link in the description. Number 5, sales. If you're like us, you're a business disguised as a YouTube channel, although we pretty much do this for fun. YouTube can generate sales for businesses. Check out CarWow. These guys review cars and their channel has exploded. The business has too as a result. Smaller channels like ProAV, who sell production kit, invested in their channel, which is top notch. The reviews are next level, and as a result, it's generating sales. If you're not a business, well, you can be. T-shirts, merchandise, stress balls with your face on can still make a buck. We believe you should think of your channel as a business no matter what. Generating sales from YouTube is potentially the biggest earner. You see the stats on how much vloggers make. CarWow made 15 million in 2017 and their channel was half the size it is now. Rest assured, a lot of that will be from YouTube and their millions of viewers. Number 6, talks. That's right, YouTubers get paid to talk. I wish I got paid to talk after the amount of words I present every week. It's not small money either. 5 figures won't be uncommon for a few hours' work. Industry shows want headliners to pull in the crowds, so just like a music festival, they offer the big money to creators. But fear not, it happens to small creators too. Believe it or not, people paid us to talk once. It wasn't 5 figures, but a shocking amount considering we make all of this up. I'm kidding, none of this is made up. Not even the bit about being paid. YouTube is all about using as many of these different methods of revenue generation to monetize a channel. Keep them in mind no matter how big or small you may be. The most important thing you can do to generate money on a channel is to hit that like button and subscribe, because we'll help you grow your channel. And check out this playlist here about making money on YouTube. If it's not there, come back in 2 days and it will be, or check out our latest release. I'm sure it's a cracker.